So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a fixture valve in here. You can't see it because there's some studs in the way. This is a fixture, a Ladera trim on the other side of the wall, fixture rough-in valve, all in one kit out of Home Depot. And so the only thing we didn't like is it had male stub outs. You can see coupling because it's male threads on the valve. All 4 ports are male. You can see coupling there, coupling there. One thing that does, instead of female, and you can reattach the existing riser going up, you can't screw it in. You have to put a coupling on, which is not a problem, but it does raise up the, sorry about the lighting, it does raise up the shower head where it comes out, so now you got to repair on that side. Anyway, so that's in. And we got the spout in, make a transition down there. Pipes all together, and then we just screwed that tub spout on, so that's good. And we'll get some silicone around that, you know, before we're done, just to make sure you don't get any water. I'm sorry, I'm not even getting a picture of it. And we'll get a video on the other side as well. So that's stubbed in. We tore this apart. They had multiple offsets. They had come off of there, 90'd over, 90'd up, 90'd back. Just, it was a train wreck. So we came in and did it this way. So that's all back together. We're going to put an access panel on here, 14 by 14 panel. That way, if you ever have any trouble with the valve, there it is, and it's accessible. The riser, we're gonna have to cut. It's moving in the wall, not a lot. It's back and forth a little bit. We'll show the homeowner and see if they want us to address that, because it actually is against a block. It's just got some movement on there, and so we'll see if they want us to get up there and cut it. But water's not back onto the home. We've tested it. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.